Welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a delicious banana dessert using leftover bananas. Creamy, sweet and super easy to prepare. A perfect way to avoid food waste and create something amazing. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 ripe bananas. Peel and cut into pieces. Use fully ripe bananas for best taste. Pour into a blender. Add 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cashew nuts, 3 tablespoons custard powder. Blend everything until smooth. Blend until completely smooth. Pour the mixture into a pan. Cook on medium heat. Stirring continuously. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. Cook until the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Cook on medium heat for perfect consistency. Remove from the heat. Pour into serving cups. Bananas are rich in potassium and energy. Milk provides calcium and protein. Nuts add healthy fats and nutrients. Homemade desserts are fresh and preservative-free. Top with banana slices, nuts and caramel sauce. Ripe bananas naturally add sweetness and flavor. Banana desserts are popular worldwide. Custard gives a smooth and creamy texture. This recipe helps reduce food waste. Serve warm or chilled as you like. Your creamy banana dessert is ready. Serve and enjoy this quick homemade treat. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enovin Cake and Cookies for more easy and creative recipes.